So tumekuwa kwa phase ya off season, off season nila no competition, just building the base. So tumekuwa tuna build base for the season 2024 na preparation imekwenda poa because we've been doing, nimekuwa nafanya vitu zenye hatujafanya before, so mwili iko stronger. And now the target is the 60 meters indoor, so we are looking forward to the 60 meters in Nyanza next week on 2nd Feb. Tukona 2 races on the tour and then come back and prepare for the world indoors. So this season you could handle everything as it comes, no pressure, and I know the competition is tough out there. Hapo high level competition is tough, but I'm positive that vitu zitakuwa sawa. Yeah, itakuwa preparation for the world indoor games, so itakuwa just getting in the first phase of the race because itatusaidia in the outdoor, but the most important thing ni ku handle the world indoor championships because basically ni speed. The only thing itakuwa difference is that tutatumia hizo races kama training for the outdoor, but of course not forgetting that we have the world indoor games, so tutakuwa tunatumia hizo 60 meters ka training because ita help to get into the 100 meters because now itakuwa getting into the top speed as fast as possible and then maintaining it in the